Welcome to the spectacular world of Thousand Vlogs. Wandering through Ameyoko shopping street is an absolute must when in Ueno. This vibrant market street is a feast for the senses, offering an array of delicious street food and trendy boutiques. The atmosphere is lively, filled with the sounds of vendors calling out to entice customers. You can find everything from fresh seafood and seasonal fruits to clothes and accessories. It's an excellent place to pick up unique souvenirs or enjoy tasty local snacks. Don't miss out on trying takoyaki octopus balls or sweet treats like mochi. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. The market has a rich history that dates back to the post-war era. Today, it's a blend of traditional and modern shopping experiences. The vibrant neon signs and bustling crowds create an energetic vibe. Be sure to explore the side alleys where you can find hidden gems. Small shops and food stalls entice you with their offerings. Each twist and turn brings something new and exciting to discover. Please like, share, and subscribe. Trying local snacks on Ameyoko is a fun culinary adventure. The street market offers an array of delicious treats that satisfy every craving. From savory to sweet, there's something for everyone. As you stroll along the bustling market, don't miss out on takoyaki, round balls filled with diced octopus. Pair it with a refreshing drink to complement the flavors. You can also try yakitori, grilled chicken skewers seasoned to perfection. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. For those with a sweet tooth, tempting options like taiyaki fish-shaped pancakes filled with sweet red bean paste await you. Ice cream comes in unique flavors too, perfect for a warm day while shopping. Enjoying street food while mingling with locals creates a vibrant atmosphere that makes Ameyoko special. Take your time to savor each bite and explore the eclectic offerings. Trying local snacks on Ameyoko is a must for food lovers visiting Ueno. Please do watch our other Ueno Japan series. please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Have you been Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.